guide you through a language that's simple, elegant, and quietly powerful. Python is like a clear, gently flowing river for your thoughts. It carries your ideas smoothly from your mind into code, without turbulence, without noise. Its syntax is so soft, almost like poetry, each line breathing clarity and intention. You see, in many languages, your code can become cluttered, tangled in curly braces, semicolons, and boilerplate. But in Python, less is more. Every word, every indentation feels deliberate. It's as if the language whispers, "Don't overcomplicate it. Let it be simple." Then there are lists and dictionaries. They're like cozy containers for your data. A list is a gentle string of pearls, each element in perfect order. A dictionary, a soft little notebook where every key knows exactly where its value is resting and functions. Oh, they are like little pockets of magic. You define them once, and they can be called upon whenever you need them. Reusable, predictable, and so elegantly written that they almost read like sentences. One of Python's quiet powers is its vast collection of libraries. It's like having a trusted friend who always has the right tool in their bag. Whether you're working with numbers in NumPy, painting data pictures with Matplotlib, or exploring the mysteries of machine learning with Tensorflow, working in Python feels peaceful. The interpreter waits patiently, encouraging you to test an idea, see it run, and refine it until it's just right. No pressure, just the quiet rhythm of creation. So take a deep breath. Let yourself drift into the calm, deliberate world of Python, where your thoughts become code as naturally as words become sentences. Because with Python, you're not just programming. You're telling a story, one clean, elegant line at a time. Sweet dreams.